Since I travel a lot, until now I have tried several universal travel adapters, but this one is by far the best. It is 4-in-1 lifetrons travel adapter which supports fast charging, and it comes with 4 USB ports, so you can charge your phone or tablet directly using only the USB cable. Inside the box you will find the Ultra Power Pro adapter, travel pouch, user guide, as well as micro USB and Type-C USB cables, which length is 1 meter. Overall, this product is very high quality build with good plastic and metal materials. It supports input 100 to 240 volts and 50 or 60 Hz frequency. The output of USB ports is max 5 volts and 3.4 amperes. However, note that this adapter does not convert the voltage. This adapter accepts plugs from over 150 countries. Among the most important ones are USA, Europe, UK and Australia plugs. When you eject the plug-in all the way to the end, it will set into a lock-in position for the firm connection between the socket and this travel adapter. To unlock it, you need to press the button down and return the plug-in. Fuse is 6 amperes and it can be easily replaced. From the other side of adapter you will find a spare fuse. Let's try it with an example. You travel into Europe from UAE or UK and you will need this EU plug-in outside, and you input the UAE or UK charger. You can see that the connection is very firm, so it will ensure no sparks will happen between your charger and travel adapter. However, as you can see, this can be a bit bulky, so if you don't have enough space, you can just use the USB cable directly and plug it into one of 4 available USB ports. Now let's try one more example, which is vice versa. You travel from Europe into UK or UAE and you will need the UK plug-in outside, and you put your EU charger. Again, the connection is very stable, and this is what I like the most about this adapter. It will ensure your devices remain safe from the electrical shock. I've been using the adapter for several months until now, and I am very satisfied with it. When you charge something, it will charge for the same time as you were to plug in your charger directly to socket. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope it was beneficial for you. Feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel, since a lot of new videos are about to come. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.